Oh hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know me yet, then hi love, I'm Sreyo and I love cooking. So if you're a sucker for good and odd foods, then you're just at the right place. So we are making masala pomfret fry today. This recipe is not quite the masala you imagined, like dhania and jeera. The key ingredients are only two, but that's all you will be needing. If you want to know what's the key flavoring here, then keep watching your brat. You thought I'll tell you everything right now? Yeah. Patience, baby, patience. This is the classic Mach Bhaja marinade of us Bengalis. Noon holud and lonka go. Precisely, salt, turmeric and chilli powder. And for this recipe, some kasundi, the Bengali mustard paste. Search Google if you don't know. And I'm noticing that you haven't subscribed yet. Why? Go to it. Well, these are black mustard seeds, and yes, there are white ones as well in the market. Now don't get so shocked and don't use them here. Now also tear a branch of curry leaf from the nearest neighbor if you don't have any and make a flower out of it. Hey, no, just don't show it off. Add it in the oil and beware. The mustard seeds do tend to do their angry dance on hot oil. Now I just couldn't resist and ate some, so I'm not sorry. You can also do the same. Don't be sorry. Also, You can add some dry chilies on the hot oil while frying if you are fond of heat. And that's all. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.